I think everybody can make yam porridge. All you need is know one or two tricks to apply to your recipe and you will serve a very delicious one on the table. Stick around with me and let's cook. First, let me say welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Annie Krieger. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. Now to start with, these are the ingredients we need for this recipe. I have a tuber of yam, clean one. I have sweet potato. Now this sweet potato is going to serve as a ripe plantain for me. I love to have that undertone sweetness in my yam porridge. I have spinach, I have bell peppers and onion. I have tomato, garlic, and ginger. You can skip all this if you don't want it, but I love to add at least one tomato to my bell peppers to balance the taste. And then I have smoked panla fish. If you know what I mean, you know, okay? You can go for any other smoked fish. I have palm oil. I have smoked prawns. I have salt, bouillon powder, and turmeric. Yes, I mean turmeric. Please just watch this video to the end. You will love the results. Now, before I continue, let me say to my viewers, my subscribers, now welcome to our part 4 of our couples teamwork cooking. The part 4. The only difference in this video is that there will be no small talk, okay? Our talk is skipped today, okay? You know why? I owe you an explanation. Now, if you've been in that situation where you are using a mic and then you made your first clip and you want to wait to let one turn finish and coming back your mic is off, okay, and then you find out you keep talking only to find out that your mic is not working, okay, the most important place you want to catch the mic wasn't on. And you know what I mean, when you insert that what's it called on your phone, the tone will be mute, okay, if the microphone is not on. So that was what happened to me in this video. So I pardon me for that. There is no small talk. We will continue our chat in our upcoming video. Now, if this is your first time, what I'm saying seems to sound like Bahnhof. In German, we'll say when you're saying something we have no idea, we say if I share no Bahnhof. Okay, if you understand nothing, please. We are into couples teamwork cooking 8 series. This is the part 4. Now the part 1, 2, 3, you need to check it out. I will leave a link up here on the screen, okay, please, so you could follow up even if there is no small talk here. That's why the quality of the video is so much, because I had to zoom it so that I don't describe, you don't see me talking, this display my hand without, okay, it won't rhyme together. So I just had to zoom it and make my recipe just do the voiceover in peace. So guys, we will pay more attention to this yam porridge detail, okay, because you will love the end result. Now to begin, you will go ahead and peel off your yam, cut as small as you want, and add it to a water bowl to prevent from changing color the potato, and then prep all your peppers. Let everything get ready, okay. Now we will start by adding some palm oil to a pot. Bring in your peppers, okay, your blended peppers. I added my Scotch bonnet pepper, okay, so do that according to your preference. Now you want to let it cook, gentle cook, okay. Then to the yam, you will bring to a pot, add in enough water and let it cook again. So if we are making 2 meals like this, we'll be going from right to left, okay, hopefully this and checking. So this is our case today. Just imagine like you are at home making 2, 3 meals at a go, okay. This is what is happening here. Now to our sauce, while our yam is cooking, do not allow it overcook, just 30%, that's about 5 minutes. We'll season, bring in our smoked fish to our tomato sauce, and then cover it up and let that smoked fish release all the flavor in that sauce. After some time, you will go back to the sauce and season with salt, bouillon powder, and enough crayfish. I mean enough crayfish if you have one, okay. Now cover up and let it continue to cook. Let it just reduce all the water, okay. Now to my yam, if you have cooked about 5 minutes The moment it begins to boil, you want to take off some amount of water. Just drain out some amount of water because you don't want to have it too liquid. After draining out some water, you still have enough water. Add in turmeric. Yes, add in turmeric. Like I don't know about others, but I feel like sometimes we just think that turmeric is only made for fried rice. Okay, it's not made for fried rice alone. Turmeric is a game changer in your yam porridge, okay? It will change everything. It will change the taste. It won't give any taste, but it will give you that beautiful, good looking meal of yam porridge. Now, turmeric is meant for most of this meal that you are using. You want a vibrant color, okay? You know the look of what I mean. It's not like I'm saying you should go and add turmeric to your okra soup without oil, okay? Okra soup without palm oil, or you should go and add the turmeric to your stew. No, there are some certain meal that calls for this look. Turmeric is just a game changer and it's also healthy. Okay, so what I did after adding all the sauce to my yam, okay, you saw me doing that, and this is what we have, guys. I didn't add all the sauce because I might need some later. Okay, just put small aside. If I don't need it, if I'm satisfied with the look, with the taste, I will just keep it, make use of it for something else. But first, this is what we have. At this point, it is time to cover this pot and let it generously cook until that yam is soft and tender, depending on the kind of yam. Guys, did you just see me? Did you see me using smaller lid to cover this? Okay, God help me. Okay, so that's it for that. Now, after getting your yam well cooked, you will add in crayfish again. I love the hand crayfish part. I just love it. I added my prawns, my smoked prawns at this point. And guys, what should I say? It is giving, and the taste is giving. Now, at this point, my heart is full of doing this voiceover. I still feel like eating yam porridge again because it is one of the best. Now, before I continue, let me ask, have you hit the like button? Please like this video for me. Like I will always say, be good to someone out there. Don't just watch video and go. The time invested in making this video. Now I came to realize that sometimes I think there are some recipes that you should put only for members. I think so. You know, just put those recipes only for members. You know, when I say members, only for members, because some recipe you just give it out there. Some people will just come, watch, and just don't appreciate it and just walk away, which is not fair. Okay, so be good, just like the video, and I would say thank you so much for doing so. Now you saw me mashing my yam a little bit. Use a fork and mash it. Some will just scatter inside already, but this yam is a very good one. You still have good solid yams inside, so I went in with some fork, scatter, okay, press scatter, press a little bit to your preference, and then add in your spinach. The moment your spinach comes in, guys, the yam porridge is yamming porridge already. Guys, it is giving already, and the food calls for diploma. The joke apart, guys, I love this yam. Ah, I wish I can have it every day. It's so hard to find yam around me, to get good yams around me. Okay, God. Okay, joke about, guys. Thank you so much for still watching. This is just what we have at this point. It gives everything you need for yam porridge, and I enjoyed it. Everybody enjoyed it. It's time to plate and enjoy. And I hope you also enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't go nowhere. Stick around for the upcoming gist, guys. We are not done. So you just stay and wait for me. Wait for us. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. Thank you all so much. Share with your loved ones. See you all in my next one. Bye.